Hello developers. Welcome to another developer experience video on Zebra's mobile computing AI suite's capabilities. In this video, we will cover how you can build a simple barcode decode sample using the AI data capture SDK. A typical barcode decoding application for a multi-barcode scene involves two steps: localizing the barcodes and decoding them. In this example, we will show you how you could use the process API of barcode decoder class that will do both these steps internally. For the barcode decode use case, please ensure that the latest version of the barcode localizer model is chosen. Please refer to the model information details on the Zebra Tech Docs page to know more about the versions released and the resolutions to be used. Here I have chosen version 5.0.1 to be included in the application. Note that the model name to be used to download from Maven is barcode-localizer. Before getting started on the barcode decode, please ensure that all the preconditions to set up and initialize the SDK and the models are taken care of. You may refer to the setup tutorial video for AI Suite to know more. Once preconditions are taken care of and the project is set up, import the necessary packages. The next step is to initialize the SDK. Please take a note that most of the APIs in this SDK throws AI Vision SDK exception and applications have to handle the cases accordingly. Once the SDK is initialized, the next step is to set up the barcode decoder settings. There are parameters to configure here such as the localizer model name, inferencer options such as CPU or DSP, localizer dimensions, and the symbologies and the subparams to be used. The barcode decoder method asynchronously initializes a barcode decoder object with the specified settings. After initializing the barcode decoder object, the next step is to start processing the frames that you receive from your camera subsystem. The process method used here processes an image data object and localizes all the barcodes in a given frame and decodes them. We recommend using camera X as your frame source, which enables your application to handle frames much more seamlessly. The process method returns a completable future object where the results can be received asynchronously. The result received here corresponds to a list of barcode entity objects decoded in that frame, which contains information regarding their data, symbology types, and their bounding box information. Once the processing is done, it's important to release the resources by calling the Dispose API. Beyond basic barcode decoding capabilities, AI Data Capture SDK offers many convenient APIs for building powerful enterprise applications. If your application uses Camera X Jetpack library, you may want to consider using the Entity Tracker Analyzer offered by AI Data Capture SDK. Entity Tracker Analyzer is a Camera X compatible image analyzer that can detect, decode, and track barcodes easily. The application's burden is reduced while processing the barcode entities and also benefits from a good user experience with a tracking feature that's built into this Entity Tracker Analyzer. Please refer to the Quick Start sample app present in the Zebra Dev's GitHub folder to know more about this analyzer. As part of AI Suite, we are also offering demo applications such as AI Barcode Finder that uses the Entity Tracker Analyzer to detect, decode, and track barcodes of interest, allowing users to interact with the barcodes. For example, the AI Barcode Finder can distinctly highlight specific barcodes on a shelf or on a package and associate a specific action such as product recall or package pickup, thereby making it easy for the user to take that action. User can also acknowledge or confirm the action by clicking the tracked barcode. Please refer to the Zebra Tech Docs page to know more about these features. The Zebra Dev's GitHub repo for AI Suite Android samples is a good place for starting your journey building impactful AI applications on Zebra devices. Thank you.